What if I told you that the moon is hollow? No, not metaphorically, not geologically, but actually hollow like an ancient spaceship, a relic of a long-forgotten alien civilization watching us from the sky. It sounds like science fiction, but some believe it's chillingly real. Welcome to the world of the hollow moon theory, where lunar craters are too shallow, seismic echoes last for hours, and ancient myths may hold more truth than we ever imagined. Get ready, because this journey goes far beyond moon dust and craters. The hollow moon theory is exactly what it sounds like. A conspiracy theory claiming that the moon is not a natural satellite, but rather an artificial structure, potentially even a massive spaceship created by an advanced civilization. The concept first gained real traction in 1970 when two Soviet scientists, Mikhail Vasin and Alexander Shcherbakov, published an article titled, "Is the Moon the Creation of Intelligence?" Their theory? The moon was hollowed out by unknown beings, possibly aliens, and deliberately placed in Earth's orbit. Sounds insane? Maybe. But let's go deeper. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for hollow moon believers came from NASA itself. In 1969, during the Apollo 12 mission, astronauts intentionally crashed the lunar module onto the moon's surface. Seismic equipment recorded something astonishing. The moon rang like a bell for nearly an hour. NASA scientists were baffled. The reverberation lasted far longer than expected. This wasn't just a thud. It was a long, echoing vibration, as if the moon had a metallic core, or no core at all. Apollo 13 repeated the experiment with a larger impact, and again, the moon reverberated. Hollow moon theorists took this as a smoking gun. Here's another mystery: lunar craters. You'd expect that bigger meteorites create deeper craters, right? But on the moon, craters of vastly different sizes often have the same depth. It's as if there's a hard layer beneath the surface, preventing impacts from going any deeper, almost like armor plating. Some theorists suggest the moon has a protective outer shell, like the hull of a ship. Could this be evidence of artificial design? What do you think? Now, what about the moon's orbit? It's strangely perfect. The moon is just the right size and distance from Earth to cover the sun perfectly during a solar eclipse. This coincidence seems a little too perfect. Also, the moon doesn't spin chaotically like other moons in the solar system. It's tidally locked, always showing the same face to Earth. To conspiracy theorists, this is not a coincidence. It's precision engineering. It's as if someone wanted it to look and behave this way. If we go back in time, before NASA existed, you'd come across some ancient civilizations that believed the moon didn't always exist. Zulu legends speak of a time before the moon. Greek philosopher Anaxagoras claimed the moon was hollow and inhabited. Even ancient Sumerian texts describe the moon as being brought into position by sky gods. Could these be distorted memories of a time before the moon arrived? Or the fading knowledge of a cosmic event long erased from history? So, if the moon is hollow, who built it? Some theories say it was aliens, an advanced species monitoring Earth, using the moon as a base or observation station. Others claim it's a derelict spaceship, a relic of a cosmic war, or a transportation ark abandoned in orbit. And then there's the wildest version of all. What if the moon is still occupied? Some whistleblowers and UFO researchers claim structures have been seen on the dark side of the moon. Towers, domes, even lights moving in impossible ways. NASA footage often cuts out during lunar anomalies. Coincidence or cover-up? Mainstream scientists, of course, reject the hollow moon theory. They say the moon's strange seismic data can be explained by its dry, rigid structure. The shallow craters? Just the result of complex geology. The perfect orbit? It's just a cosmic coincidence. But hollow moon believers argue that these explanations raise even more questions. If the moon isn't hollow, why does it behave so strangely? The moon has watched over humanity since the dawn of time. But what if we've been watching something that's watching us too? Is the hollow moon theory just another cosmic fantasy? Or are we staring at the greatest cover-up in human history every night? Tell us what you think. Is the moon a natural wonder or a cosmic enigma? Drop your theories in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's strangest mysteries, because sometimes the truth is weirder than fiction.